Kevin from Freego. Today, I will take the test review for XiaoMi M365. This is a 8.5-inch electric scooter. As you see, it's a gray color. Two wheels, 8.5-inch. The front drive motor is here. The material of the scooter is aluminum alloy. It's not very heavy. It's around 12 kilograms. It's very light. This one is very good for the people who is not very tall, smaller people. It's not very big. It's smaller. It's good for women and the teenagers. But for the people like me who are big, it's why it's short. When you ride this scooter, you must pay attention to some safety tips. My weight, I'm 93 kilograms. I'm big. So this one, if I go very fast and I brake like this, if I pull too much, I'm afraid here will break to pieces. So if you go fast without brake like this is dangerous. You should go like this way. Go like this way. The maximum loading for this scooter is 100 kilograms. It has brake, it has battery here in the pedal. Inside 36 voltage, 7.5. The fender is also good. I don't feel like damage it easily. It's seen like this. And also the tire is possible to flat tire because it's air-filled tires. I don't like this one because this is not reliable. We can get some feedback from the internet. Some people talk about complain about the flat tire too much. This is not good. And also people on the outside looks not beautiful. Especially with getting dirt. It's not good. Now I will talk something about the speed, maximum speed, go uphill ability, and the motor power. From the Xiaomi website, you can see the specification is maximum speed 35 power, go uphill around 14%, and the motor power is 250 watts. It's not very powerful. The maximum range for fully charged is 20 to 30 kilometers. Don't know how much is this scooter. If you check the Alibaba.com, you can see the price is around $145 to $245. The difference is $100. I don't know which one is good, which one is not good. But I think this one is not good for the strong, tall, and heavy person.